Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Muhammad Afirizi. My major is telecommunication engineering. In this section, I am going to explain about my final project. The title is Design of Communication System Multi-Hop 2D for Starting in Natural Disaster Area. Okay, next. In first, I discuss about background of resource. This is the picture from bnpb.go.id. Indonesia is a region that is very prone to natural disaster. Therefore, it needs evacuation fastly and responsive. SARTIM is main object for support it. But communication is still using walkie-talkie with distance not too far. Okay, the goals of final project are 1. To design of system communication multi-hop for SARTIM. 2. To implement and release of design system communication multi-hop in natural disaster area. 3. To implement multi-hop system for efficiency energy. The problem. I define two parts of the problem. 1. Problem formulation and 2. Scope of problem. Problem formulation. 1. How to design system communication SAR with multi-hop and heterogeneous network. 2. How to implement system on device in SARTIM. And 3. How to resolve efficiency energy of implement on device. Okay, next scope of problem. And then 1. Data sent in the form is latitude and longitude from GPS. 2. Efficiency energy is connected with multi-hop. And 3. Heterogeneous network used by 2 communication modules. This is algorithmic to implement multi-hop, and this is the picture. The process is 1. Broadcasting to all devices. The device has received and saved ID into routing table. 3. GPS data from Team SAR sent to another device and saved in temporary for forward message. And then is this algorithm to implement heterogeneous network. This is a picture. The process is initialized node and communication module is that LoRa and XB. 2. It use point-to-point multi-hop communication. And 3. Data when sent in not saved into temporary. 4. Change the communication module from XB to LoRa. This is the process. And last, data sent to data center. System design. I define 3 parts of system design. 1. End device, 2. Gateway, and 3. Data server. The system to be built is a subset of a major system concerning to implementation of the Internet of Things in the SARTIM. This is the next of system design. The process is 1. SARTIM will send packet to gateway, but the distance too far. And then SARTIM will do communication point-to-point with another node. SARTIM 1 will broadcasting to another SAR. SARTIM 2 receive packet from 1 and respond with forwarding packet to SARTIM 3 until 4. SARTIM 4 receive packet and save temporary in node. And 6. SARTIM 4 send packet to gateway with communication LoRa module. And 7. Gateway has received packet and respond it. Expect of result. This is expect of result. A prototype of a communication device for the SARTIM is energy efficiency in evacuation victim of natural disaster and can be monitored live in real time. So it will make them efficiently evacuation of victim of natural disaster because there is a mapping of the current location of the SARTIM. Relevance. I define 2 relevance, 1 directly and 2 indirectly. Indirectly to implement for SARTIM for communication and 2 indirectly used by BNPB Badan Nasional Penanggulangan Bencana to build system and develop my project. Okay, Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.